Hi guys, so here we are. This is what we're going to be starting out with today, is just kind of going over how to take notes. You all have a spiral notebook and you've been given this table of contents, you've been given a multiplication chart, and you're going to be cutting this out so that it fits and gluing this table of contents into the inside of the notebook that you were given today. So we're going to fill out, page 1 is going to be consisting of the multiplication chart that you're going to make sure you have completed and glued into that first page, the first loose leaf lined page of your notebook binder, spiral notebook that you were given. Page 2 is going to consist of the notes that you're going to take from this video, which is the vocab notes, and everybody should have done that today in class already. And then page 3 is going to consist of word problem words that are going to be useful when we take care of and tackle word problems. So as of today, you should only have 3 assignments in there. Tonight, you'll be watching this video, integer review. So integer review would be integer review notes, would be starting on page 4. So you're going to have already 4 pages of your notebook with notes and items that I have given you. Awesome. So let's continue. So you're going to make sure you cut this out now if you haven't already and glue it into your binder, spiral binder, that first page that I gave you in the inside cover. Don't put it on the lined paper, put it on the inside cover. This next page you guys filled out as much as you can in class. Make sure you finish it. Cut it out to fit onto the second page or the first lined sheet paper of your notebook, spiral notebook. Here's where I need you to pause the video when you have to, because you should be copying this information into page 2, which is the back side of the multiplication chart. So you'll be copying in this information here. It talks about the sum. When we say sum in math, we're not asking for an amount. We're asking for the answer in addition. We're using the mathematical operation of addition. When we say difference in math, we're not talking about how things are the same or different. We're discussing the mathematical operation of subtraction. Go ahead and pause the video if you need more time to complete this, to copy the rest of this page. So now we're going to be copying down product and quotient. The product is the multiplication operation. We're not looking at something that we produce as a product. We're looking at the answer in multiplication. Now I want you guys to remember that when we're in middle school now, so we're not going to use the X when we designate multiplication. We're going to use this point, and we're going to use parentheses as well. And the last one, quotient, really we don't use it in another method other than division. So this is elementary school division. We'll only use this when we need to use it as far as looking at a problem where we have to divide something and we can't use our calculator. We're not doing it in our head, so we're going to use this method. Here, a lot of times you'll see it written up like this, but since we are in junior high, middle school now, we are going to use the fraction bar as a division symbol. So this not only says 100 fifths, it also says 100 divided by 5. And then we'd write our answer either as another fraction, as reduced, or as a whole number. And in this case, we'd write the whole number 20. So go ahead and pause while you copy this down, the video. Go ahead and pause it and copy it down. When you're ready, hit play again. We're going to go on to the next slide. Okay, this last one is the words that you're going to use when we are solving word problems. So just to kind of go back and use the words that we've already used, when you have an addition, we are looking for sum. When we're looking at subtraction, we're looking for difference. When we're looking at multiplication, we're looking for the product. When we're dealing in division, we're looking for the quotient. Go ahead and pause your video now and take as long as you need to make sure you have these, and these should be on page 3 of your notebook. Copy them down, and page 3 should only contain this list of words at this point. Thanks for watching the video again in case you didn't finish it today, and make sure that your notes are complete. I will be looking at them this week.